This game room, it freaking sucks. It's trash. Take this game room, get it out of my sight. I hate it. Did I mention this video is sponsored by AliExpress? Problem number 1. 74.8 degrees. I bet you the hallway is gonna be way cooler. This room is hot. That is the tiniest vent ever. We're getting a ceiling fan, finally. It's a long overdue upgrade. We've been needing this in here since day 1 of YouTube. I've been in here sweating, so. Problem number 2. My house was built with like cardboard. This closet, this is where I have all of my extra tech. It's very hot in there. I mean, this wall, 74.7 degrees. And then in the closet, 77.7 degrees. We devised a plan. We're just gonna take the door off and put a bead curtain there like it's in 1974. That way we can get some nice air conditioning in there. And also another major problem is the room is really small, so we can't really open the closet door all the way. It hits the desk. So see you later, closet door. Problem number 3. I don't know if you guys remember when I painted the room before. The wall used to be white, now it's gray. I think it looks really nice. But because we have textured walls, when we went to go paint the edges of the ceiling, it didn't really matter because it's the texture. So we're gonna paint the ceiling, throw the ceiling fan up, finish it off, make it look real nice. Problem number 4. I'm a bit ashamed to admit it. This is what my wife has to work with for her gaming setup. Brother, this is a coffee table. So anyways, that's what the AliExpress upgrade really is. It's a desk and a chair. As you can see, she gets the best monitor, the Titan Army monitor. Yeah, so we're just gonna get this whole corner taken care of, get it looking real nice for her, because she deserves it. And we got a bunch of stuff for her desk, a nice, like, basically all white AliExpress desk upgrade. We got a bunch of white themed stuff, so it's pretty cool. Stick around for that. All right, we got everything ready. So now we're gonna paint the ceiling. It's not that exciting, so I'm just gonna do some kind of crazy transition. There we go. Also, I swear it's the same day. My shirt was just sweaty and y'all didn't need to see that. All right, now we got our little bead curtain or whatever. So we're gonna throw that on. I'm scared of this. I feel like I got a box of bones. First time I've been able to fully open that door in I don't even know how long. This could not be a more perfect closet door removal. This could not have gone smoother. Okay, this is literally how my house was built. They painted the, there it goes. They painted the door, the door to the frame. Oh my goodness. You know what's upsetting about bad work is that unexpected things happen, like the fact that they should have painted this frame first and then put the door on it, but they instead put the door on and then painted the door with the door on instead of painting the frame underneath. And now I have this ugliness that I gotta paint over now. And also you can tell there's overspray. They literally spray painted this house. All right, now we just gotta throw some screws up in there. Shouldn't be too hard. Wow. Anyways, that's the screen door, that's the curtain. My face is completely dark for this whole video, so. All right, so we're gonna put the AliExpress desk together. This thing was very heavy and the people at the post office were not a fan. Anyways, yeah, it was extremely heavy and the guy that was checking me out had to get the other bigger guy to like lift it on the desk for him to hand it to me. All right, step one done. This is the part that's supposed to hold the full weight of the ceiling fan. Okay, well that piece is up, but that's like step one, so I'm tired. Okay. It's now 10 p.m. Started this video, I don't know, like 8 hours ago. This ceiling fan took like 2 hours, and to be honest, I haven't tried it out yet, so I'm gonna go flip the breaker and then we're gonna test it out for you guys. Why not? Okay, here we go. Hope for the best, everybody. Let's go! We don't need the fan to work, that's all that matters. Okay. Oh yeah, dude. You gotta come stand into this. 10 out of 10 job. It is currently 1:15 a.m. The desks are done. They're set up, they're here. Take a peek. It's all finished. It looks beautiful, divine. Wouldn't change a thing. Beautiful, got the mic. Y'all haven't seen that video yet, you may have. PlayStation, we got the Keychron K4, Keychron M7, the Titan Army 32-inch monitor. Of course, like literally all this stuff I've made a video on, so we just had it. We did get a couple new things for the desk too. We also had the PlayStation. They also have a chair, so we're gonna put that together. That's gonna be your little chair for the desk. And we got a couple of other things, and we're gonna add it to the desk and make it look real nice, and it's gonna fit the aesthetic, and it's gonna be beautiful. So we're gonna unbox all that, but first we're gonna put the chair together, give AliExpress their time. They deserve it. They paid for all this. Thanks. Appreciate it. Let's get unboxing. It's chair time, baby. You know what's nice about this? It's nice and light. Super easy to put together. I think it's on there. Dude, wait. Yo, I could probably... Oh! Oh! Did you hear that? Turn the gain up on that bad boy. This is like those school chairs that you can crack your back on. This is great. This is actually, I'm like starting to sink in now. This is kind of nice. I don't know if I'd be able to like keyboard and mouse game, but I could probably controller game on this. But I need armrest for keyboard and mouse game, but I like this. This is cute, man. Shoot, look at it. I was expecting more of a spin there. Oh. That was a good one. I actually really like this chair. This is nice. No cap. Oh God. Well, here it is. We got 3 extra things. We got a little headphone hook. I got all this on AliExpress, by the way. I'll try and leave the links if I can, even though it's not really part of the video. We just kind of bought it on our own. But we got the SteelSeries Arctis Nova 1s, obviously white. And Flash Beyond, you guys remember Flash Beyond, dude? Oh my goodness. I love Flash Beyond. They're the best glass mouse pad out there, man. I'll tell you what, they're pretty nice. Oh, dude, this one's so much cooler than mine. Not fair. Flash Beyond. Yeah. It's like having a refrigerator shelf on your desk. It's great. Throw that down. Look at that, that's clean. All right, and we got a little desk hook. I think this thing's like $2, bro, for real. It's so great. I have the same one for my desk. We literally got the same color. No tools required. It just opens up like, on a spring or whatever, just like this. That's it, so you just spins around. It's got a little hook for your headphone wire and everything. So you just spin it around, open it up. Hang it right there. Stick your headphones there. And of course, with the hook, we need something to hang on the hook. And what better brand than SteelSeries? I've actually never owned or listened to or used SteelSeries headphones, but I've heard pretty good things about them. These are the cheaper ones. They're like $100, but it's got what we need. Good stuff. That's kind of cool. For glory. Open this for glory. Oh, we got stickers. Hold on, stop the video. Pause it right now. We got stickers. The moment of truth. The wheel part, everyone kept. Is this just in like one long tube? The unboxing's Oh, I thought I had the carpet. It looks like it. Oh, that's nice though. It's like jersey material, kind of like a, you know, like a sports jersey. Ooh, it doesn't click. It's just like, there's levels to this shit, man. Got a little extendo mic. Ooh. I've always wanted that, dude. You're so lucky. You get the best stuff. It's not fair. Where's my cool headphone thingy? I need it. Okay, fully extended. Let's see if it fits my fat head or not. Oh yeah, it's pretty comfortable. Wow, the sound isolation is a little weird when I'm not like playing a game, but I don't want to stretch it out too much with my big head, but it's nice. And I like this little cloth strap. Boom. Man, give me the rest of the team. Hey, come back here. How did that not kill him? Was I out of ammo?
The other team is halfway to winning. No more easy deaths.
Who's doing that? Ow! No, Chef Lothar, bro. I'm coming for you, dog.
Closing in on the wing. Don't let them get there.
My aim is so trash. The freaking G button. Oh god, there it is. No! What? How does that count as his kill? I'm taking the ramp. I've had it.
Closing in on the wing. Don't let them get there.
Stop, man. Chill. I'm trying to clip. How is it not one shot? It's literally a specialty weapon. I'm getting cut. All right, well, that was the AliExpress room upgrade, game room upgrade. I really hope you guys enjoyed the video. It took us literally all day, so thanks for sticking around to the end. It really means a lot. It feels so good in here. Ceiling fan, check. Closet door, check. Wifey desk, check. Everything's taken care of, man. It's absolutely beautiful in here. I love it. I forgot I also painted the ceiling. That took a significant portion of the day. That was definitely, I'm very sore from that. But overall, man, it turned out great. I love this. It's absolutely awesome. So if you want to check out any of this stuff, I'll leave the links for it in the description. Feel free to check it out. Smash like, subscribe. We work very hard on this. Thank you very much. Editor's getting extra mega raise on this one. I'll see you in the next video. See you in the next tech review. Bye-bye. Thanks, AliExpress.